Pharma giant Johnson & Johnson announced that it is manufacturing its COVID-19 vaccine Janssen vaccine in collaboration with Telangana-based Biological E Limited in India. Johnson & Johnson's single-dose vaccine would add a significant boost to India's vaccination drive, which is currently being carried out with 3 COVID-19 vaccines. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, Serum Institute of India's Covishield along with newly introduced Russian vaccine Sputnik V. Approved by the WHO and the FDA, here is all you need to know about Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine candidate.
Who can receive Janssen COVID-19 vaccine?
Janssen COVID-19 vaccine is authorized and recommended for persons 18 years of age and older.
Is it safe?
SAGE has thoroughly assessed the data on quality, safety and efficacy of the vaccine and has recommended its use for people aged 18 and above. This vaccine has also undergone review by the European Medicines Agency, EMA, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and found to be safe for use.
How many doses of Janssen COVID-19 vaccine do we need?
All people for whom vaccination is indicated should receive 1 dose of Janssen COVID-19 vaccine.
One has received mRNA COVID-19 vaccine for their first dose but would now like Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. What should he do?
COVID-19 vaccines are not interchangeable. The safety and efficacy of a mixed product series have not been evaluated. In most cases, if patients begin a series with an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine, they should complete the series with the same product. In limited, exceptional situations where a patient received the first dose of an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine but is unable to complete the series with either the same or different mRNA COVID-19 vaccine, for example, due to contraindication, you may consider a single dose of Janssen COVID-19 vaccine, with a minimum interval of 28 days between doses.
Is there a minimum interval between routine vaccine and Janssen COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes. You should routinely administer Janssen COVID-19 vaccine alone, with a minimum interval of 14 days before or after administration of any other vaccine. However, you may administer Janssen COVID-19 vaccine and other vaccines within a shorter period in situations where the benefits of vaccination are deemed to outweigh the potential unknown risks of vaccine co-administration, or to avoid barriers to or delays in COVID-19 vaccination. If Janssen COVID-19 vaccine is administered within 14 days of another vaccine, do not repeat doses of either vaccine.
How should one store Janssen COVID-19 vaccine?
Store Janssen COVID-19 vaccine in the refrigerator between 2 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius, that is 36 degrees Fahrenheit and 46 degrees Fahrenheit until the expiration or beyond use date, BUD. Do not store vaccine in the freezer.
Should pregnant women be vaccinated?
While pregnancy puts women at higher risk of severe COVID-19, very little data are available to assess vaccine safety in pregnancy. Pregnant women may receive the vaccine if the benefit of vaccinating a pregnant woman outweighs the potential vaccine risks. For this reason, pregnant women at high risk of exposure to SARS-CoV-2, for example health workers, or who have comorbidities which add to their risk of severe disease, may be vaccinated in consultation with their health care provider.
Who is the vaccine not recommended for?
Individuals with a history of anaphylaxis to any component of the vaccine should not take it. Anyone with a body temperature over 38.5 degrees Celsius should postpone vaccination until they no longer have a fever. The vaccine is not recommended for persons younger than 18 years of age pending the results of further studies in that age group.
How effective is the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine?
Clinical trial data demonstrated vaccine efficacy was 66.3% at least 14 days after vaccination against symptomatic, laboratory-confirmed COVID-19 in persons without evidence of previous SARS-CoV-2 infection, 93.1% for the prevention of COVID-19 associated hospitalization, and 75% against all-cause death.
Does it work against new variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus?
SAGE has reviewed all available data on the performance of the vaccine in the settings of the variants of concern. In clinical trials, this vaccine has been tested against a variety of SARS-CoV-2 virus variants, including B1.351, first identified in South Africa, and P.2, first identified in Brazil, and found to be effective. SAGE currently recommends using this vaccine, according to the WHO prioritization roadmap, even if variants of concern are present in a country. As new data becomes available, WHO will update recommendations accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel teqTalk.